right now, boys and girls, to see the very first roll by a helicopter that you may have seen this year.
Of course it is. Oh! Oh my God!
And there you go. That was intentional. It looks as though it's falling out of the sky. In fact, it looks very, very uncomfortable indeed. But that is what helicopters do. When you do unusual things to them, because of course they're not really designed to do that, as they're not designed to go upside down right now.
I do that. I'll do that, but I'll do it on GTA.
The tail does its best to break away from normal flight, and correcting that is a feat of aerodynamics in the cockpit. The Lynx helicopter has of course been the mainstay of operations of the Army Air Corps for the last 30 years and is still used today in its variant as a Mark 9 in Afghanistan. And Eddie and Alex there just throwing in another loop to reposition out on what we call the B-axis, flying away from you.
Is that the only helicopter that can do that?
671 squadron at middle one is the main
Imagine the Chinook doing it.
conversion to type squadron.
I know.
Lovely pedal turn being put in position there whilst repositioning.
Look at that Brian man, isn't it?
During the course of their work, Eddie Brown is involved in converting pilots to the Mark 7 before going on to their squadron duties, whilst Alex is the recruiting officer, quite recently taking up a new job. Now, here's the time to keep an eye on this helicopter, because right now the signature movement for the Army Air Corps and the past history of the Blue Eagles. Stand by with your cameras to be amazed. Boys and girls, the backflip.
Wow. Catch that?
Yes, it's all very well carried into the when you actually have some forward speed on. A standing start. It's actually very uncomfortable. Yes, we're joined today by Mr. Prince from the Royal International Air Institute. And pleasure to see him joining us here today. Good afternoon, sir. Jolly smart. Okay, well back to the flying again. Here we are now with Eddie and Alex communicating what Eddie is doing on the flying, and Alex in the other seat is absolutely safe for the flying. Going into a 1990 now, again a super climb up, all the power being used with the cycling right back to get into that.
He's bloody mad.
Monetarily comfortable. But of course, huge amount of experience in there. Captain Brown is currently the second in command of 671 Squadron. Several of thousands behind him, and indeed also many students passed through his hands. He led the team.
Can you video?
We had a full Blue Eagles
No, you carry on.
Please.
and has used all that experience
carry on, it's good on your YouTube.
into the next display this year. A number of manoeuvres that sadly we haven't seen a great deal of.
Stop.
Coming back into a rearward transition now, the
Look, watch, see,
No, I know.
helicopter stays straight all the way down the display line whilst pirouetting around their own fuselage. Luckily today conditions are of course very benign and absolutely perfect for display flying. Captain Cranford, you'll see to say from last year was our recruiting officer. We do have all the recruiting team here on the ground between the hangars, so if you're interested in Army flying, do of course please come.